Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Swaggy and welcome back to my channel. So it's our last hours in this apartment. We are leaving Crimea and we are going back to Siberia to Tyumen city. And we already packed our bags. So let me tell you something. I don't know if that happens to you too, but look, this luggage when it arrived, it did weight less than 15 kilograms, but now I believe it's more than 20, and it always happens to me. I don't know why. Leo here, Leo is just chilling. He doesn't know what we're gonna do soon. That we're gonna have a lot of time to spend in the airport. Yeah, he's taking rest, and this is my mom bag, and yeah, my mom bag is small. I mean, most things my mom, she doesn't really carry a lot of things. She just carries what is necessary, and yeah, and that's why I love this about my mom. So she does not really buy lots of junk like me, but you know what I'm saying. I saw lots of nice things here for Jamaica, so I had to grab them. And yeah, I hope our luggage will pass because we have 20 kilograms. Normally it's like 23 something, but it's 20. And good thing we have two luggages, so I hope I can explain to the lady, because we don't have like second luggage 20 kilograms, so she can put some overweight on my luggage, and I mean she can make it pass with a little overweight. Well, I don't know. And I also have a beach umbrella. Yeah, let me show you guys this beach umbrella. I spent $30. Listen, I spent $30 and I do not want to leave it here. I mean, I cannot take it to Jamaica, but I can take it to Tyumen. Well, though my mom, she was saying like, take it to Jamaica, take it to Jamaica. I don't really need it. You need to take it. But listen, I have two big, large luggages on my way back to Jamaica, and I'm not sure if this umbrella can go with it. I mean, I will probably have to pay again for it, and I don't really want to spend a lot of money, and we don't really need an umbrella in Jamaica. But I'm not sure. It's just such a stupid situation when you come here. This apartment, they do not provide beach umbrellas. I mean, people here come to the beach and there's no umbrellas on the beach, so people have to buy. So why don't you just buy and put two extra beach umbrellas in your apartment as a compliment for guests? It would be nice. I mean, when we were in America, they had two nice beach big umbrellas, so they also had two nice rugs. And here is nothing, so you need to buy everything, or you have to pay like $10 every day for the umbrella. That does not make any sense. Listen, yeah, and we had to buy rugs because the beach is stony. The little stones, you can't sit in peace on them. It's very, very uncomfortable. Your ass hurts and your back hurts, so you have to buy something to sit on it nice and soft. So that's what I had to buy, the rugs, and I'm gonna bring them back to, well, the rugs I can bring to Jamaica though. I don't feel like I waste my money. Yeah. But anyway, this is our last hours in this pretty place, and I'm telling it bye-bye and see you next time. Maybe, I'm not sure, but guys, every time I come to Russia, I'll be like, I will not take my mixed kids back, because like everything I see, I don't like it, and I'm straight, and I'm like, I try to explain. I don't even know how to explain to my mom, because she does not feel it how I feel it, and I do not want to bring my kids. Honestly, this year I decided it, and this decision is so strong. I will not bring my mixed kids back to Russia, and I mean what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying? I mean it. This is the last time I'm bringing my mixed son to Russia, because I do not want to damage their mental health. I do not want them to feel that they are less, but if I will continue bringing them here, they will feel it, and I want to run from that feeling. So next year, if I come, or maybe next 2 years if I come, I'll come alone. I will not bring in none of my sons. and I see that they're in Jamaica, well comfortable, welcomed, and that's where they belong. Here, no, because I mean, everything will make them, everybody, okay, everybody will make them know they don't belong here, from little kids to those ugly middle-aged men, you know what I'm saying? I do not want them to experience that when they're in this bigger age, you know, because in a bigger age, they can realize and understand more things, and those things, they can hurt them. Yeah, they can hurt them, and when you know, when you hurt, it's very hard to come back to the normal you. And a lot of people, they need psychologists to talk to them, like to bring them back, but still they have their problems, they have mental issues. So I do not want, honestly. Yeah. So can you believe our flight will happen at 10 o'clock in the evening, and it sucks because we will land 3 a.m. here in the morning. It will be dark still in my city in Siberia, and I worry about that because I do not like to roll in the night when it's dark, especially I have mixed kid, you know what I'm saying? So I had to get a pepper spray for myself. Yeah, and my mom was like, oh, you're crazy. I was like, no, I'm not crazy, I'm just not feeling safe, okay? I'm not feeling safe walking with my mixer, and I'm also not feeling safe walking as a single mother. I mean, and even alone, I do not feel safe, so I had to get the pepper spray for myself. Yeah, and on the playground, I have to always be in control of the situation. I hate it, honestly, because some asshole will say something to my son, and I want to be like, hey, no. If you're gonna say something to him, you're gonna talk to me, all right? Talk to me first. Yeah, so they like, you know, they're kids, so they like, when they see a bigger person talks to them, they like, oh, okay. So they like, they slow down. So yeah, that's why I cannot mentally relax here. I don't like that neither. So that is the next reason. Why I will not bring my mixed kids here back again. Yeah, but the place is really nice. I mean, I like the environment, not what comes with it. You know, like the nature. The nature here is so beautiful. If in Russia there would be no racism, maybe I would convince my husband to buy a house here somewhere, or an apartment, because it's really nice. Trust me. And the how it smells, the scent is everything. But the Airbnb is not available in Crimea because Airbnb is an American site, so they did block Crimean people from posting their Airbnbs on their site. So yeah, that is the next reason why I would not buy here any property, because how you will rent it, and after, yes, you will certainly need to go on the bus station with a poster, room for rent, and sit there all day fighting for your bread. You know what I'm saying? It's not comfortable, so it's not the option. And I'm ready to fly. Yeah, I'm ready to fly. I'm ready to leave the place because I'm so tired, waking up so early, going on a bus and minibus, even though it takes even like sometimes 10 minutes to reach there, but I'm so tired. I do not want to wake up so early. I want to sleep. I mean, I feel like this vacation made me more tired because the beach was closed and we had to take on the road. It's not an option. I came here to relax, you know, and I couldn't relax fully, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so I'm glad I'm going back. We wrapped our bag. Economy the money, wrap yourself. Yeah, because actually they're like, if you want them to wrap it for you, you're gonna pay like 3 times. So I'm wrapping myself, okay? Yeah, and we are waiting. We have like, how many hours we have? A lot of hours though. So now it's 2 o'clock. Yeah, we have a 10 departure, so We're gonna do something, and I don't know yet what we are going to do, how we're gonna spend the time. But anyway, we are going to leave bags in a room where they can, storage room they call it. Here we're gonna pay and they will hold it for us. So that's the plan. And after we go in to do something. Leo, what you eating? Skittles. Drinking coffee. Oh, it's so crazy. Just now, the guy right beside me started smoke. You're not supposed to smoke in the airport, so he was just smoking. Oh gosh, so they had to run him away. He was half drunk, so it's just crazy. Russian airport, full of funny stories. I mean, it's not really funny because we had to what? People had to smell it or what? That's just so stupid. So I'm glad the people run him away. Well, anyway, we would move, but I just don't like how it goes. Like, I mean, don't bother people. I mean, go away, smoke what you want, but just such a problem here. And plus, I noticed that here they sell lots of alcohol, the mini versions, and they're not supposed to do it here, and not in this country. I mean, not in this country. I am going to check this store. Yeah, maybe we'll buy some souvenir for Errol with the Russian sign on it. Here. Let me see the price though. Jesus, please. 100 for this thing. No, so alright. Have a nice box though. But the price is up. Повернись, turn around. Turn around. For school. Yeah. So Leo found a robot. Yeah, Leo is sharing his sweets with the little girl though. So, yeah. Yes, Leo. Look at it. Good job, Leo. What's that, Leo? That's a robot here. Oh, we came to check out some souvenir store with Crimea treats. So mom is holding Leo super tight door. Yeah. But everything is so super expensive though. Overpriced to the extreme level.
Ну вот это вот интересно.
So most things I bought already outside in the city. Yeah, so I don't really need to buy nothing else.
Надо посмотреть для Эрала,
Who's
что
that,
такое
guys?
крымская купюра.
Who's that,
А
guys?
мы не видели.
So my mom, she wants to check out some money, Crimean money to give Errol as a present, but mom, he's okay. Guys, that's me, my mood right now. Oh, you know, guys, I used to love airports. Now I hate it. Yeah, I think I travel too much. I need to settle down. I need to settle my ass down. At least for a year. At least for a year. I'm tired. So Leo wants to take a picture. No, Leo just wants to run and romp. So we came to eat. That's what I am eating. So this is plov in Russia. Yeah, they call it plov. I have no idea how to translate it in English, so I will just call it plov. And I bought a salad, just a normal salad with vegetables. Leo was eating sausages. Yeah.
А вот этот перец можешь туда.
I was still waiting. So guys, we came outside because I can't manage anymore in the airport door. It stresses me out. So they have a nice area here. Let me show you something. like little lavender field. Leo is here, so girls are picking up lavender. Is that a lavender? Let me smell it. Let me smell it. Somebody's taking pictures. My mom is picking it up. Leo, иди сюда. Yeah, they actually have down there fountain, but yeah, and this is the airport. This is a new one. They opened it the other year. Yeah. Leo, but I don't want Leo to go down there to the fountain because he will wet himself, and I don't have change of clothes, so we're just gonna stay here. But it's nice here. Maybe I will take some pictures too. No way you can see planes from here. So my mom gone to pick up lavender. Now we're just here with Leo. Alright, so Leo is taking picture. And taking Leo a picture. He is just happy to be outside.
Выше ручки подними.
So guys, we are ready to board. Leo!
Yes?
Super tired, but Leo doesn't show no evidence. no sign of tiredness. But this is our plane. I am super tired. We are ready?
Game.
Okay.
And then it almost killed me.
So guys, I'm super tired. I'm sleeping. I'm literally walking dead. I want to sleep and I want to board. Yes.
Все аварийные выходы снабжены надувными трапами. Аварийные выходы в средней части самолета также снабжены спасательными канатами. Направление к нему кажется это отражающая линия, расположенная вдоль прохода.
Смотришь? Morning guys, so we made it. Thanks God, thanks Jesus, we've arrived safe. So I'm just here in Human City with this it's a cold water actually because it's so hot. It's so hot. I mean it's much more hot than Crimea, can you believe? So today will be like between 32 plus 32 and plus 34. So it's just crazy. I couldn't sleep in the morning because we arrived 4 or 5 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, so I had a little time to sleep, but honestly I was sleeping like it reminded me like how I was sleeping one time in my husband's house in Jamaica. It was so hot. So, and it sucks, all my back did sweat and I hate this feeling. And we don't have even a fan though. We don't even have a fan, so it's just cray. It's cray. We don't have AC, don't have a fan, but I will not install it because it will not last for long, maybe a week, and then the weather will tremendously change. Yeah, and it's just a Siberian summer, you know what I'm saying? I'm so lazy because this heat actually makes you feel like you don't want to do nothing other than just lay down on the floor. Like listen, in Russian flat the most cozy place is the floor. So if you want to get some rest, you just lay on the floor and it's not so hot, but other than that it's just super hot. I was running from Jamaican summer heat and look what I found. Siberian summer heat, and it's not normal either because Jamaica has at least breeze. Here zero. I mean not really zero, but it's not like in Jamaica. I'm going to unpack my bags. By the way, can you believe our umbrella did weight about 1 kilogram, and to transfer it for free from the airport, from Crimea airport to Siberian airport. We had to give up our luggage, I mean one seat, yeah, luggage one place. And a good thing that we had only one bag, so I had like 20 kilograms in my bag, and we supposed to have the next one, but because we had a little umbrella, and let me tell you something, just a stick, okay, that weighs 1 kilogram. So they took our luggage piece for it, so I didn't have to pay, but they took our 20 kilogram luggage piece, okay, and that so sucks. So I'm not sure if I will carry it to Jamaica. I mean, I'd rather buy from Chinese man store and a beach umbrella, but trust me, if I could carry a barrel, I would pack a barrel, but it's not an option. You can't pack a barrel from Russia. So those moments makes me jealous of American people and Canadian people who can actually pack their things in the barrel, more stuff, and you can carry more stuff to Jamaica. But here you're only allowed to carry 23 international flights kilograms, yeah, luggage, yeah, 23 kilograms. So I have one 23 kilogram luggage and Leo, so that's how our barrel looks. yeah, but I wish I could ship a barrel though. Well, anyway, I'm going to unpack. I have a lot of things to do, a lot of unpacking. I need to wash my hair, and I'm sure my mom will soon come. Listen, my mom didn't sleep on the flight, and in the morning she gone somewhere to the market. She gone to buy some stuff because we are running out of everything. Yeah, so she's full of energy. I'm super lazy because the heat actually makes you feel like a piece of potato. A piece of and I don't want to do nothing in this heat. I mean, I want the AC. It's crazy, but how it is. It is how it is. It is how it is. So I just need to go to the shopping mall where they have AC like 24/7. Yeah, and just spend all day there. But what you gonna do there all day? But anyway, guys, thank you for watching the vlog. I hope you enjoy and have a little picture of everything what is going on in Russia. Yeah, hope you enjoy it. So if you're not shy, give me a like. If you're shy, okay, so goes. Yeah, see you next time. Bye.